Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Sonata key fob, full guide. Start by locating the seam near the key ring and insert a plastic pry tool gently. Apply steady pressure to avoid cracking the case and rotate the tool along the seam. When the halves separate, remove the circuit board carefully and note battery orientation for replacement to ensure correct reassembly and function. After opening the fob, locate the round battery and check its model number printed on the face. Use plastic tweezers or a fingernail to lift the battery from its clip without touching the circuit board. Avoid metal tools that could short contacts and keep track of small parts. Place the new battery in the same orientation and press it gently into the holder until it clicks into place for a reliable connection. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving from DIY car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and if you grab it, enjoy the read. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully align the rubber buttons and circuit board, then bring the two case halves together with even pressure. Press around the perimeter until each clip snaps into place and the housing sits flush. Reinsert the emergency key if removed and check that lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions respond. If a button fails, reopen and verify contact pads and battery seating before finishing to ensure dependable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.